right, let's bring in our next guest analyst, Oliver Sloup from Blue Line Futures. Oliver, thanks for joining the show today. All right, it's going to be a little bit of freestyle here. What are your thoughts on anything out there?
Well, obviously, just a wild trading environment that really kicked off last night and lasted all the way through the morning. We've seen a lot of the grain contracts specifically trade for cash limit up, including corn and wheat, and soybeans got within a stone's throw of that. Obviously backed off quite a bit and trading about 15, 16 cents lower, which to me looks a lot like a potential blow-off top, and I think we've got the recipe for that. But with that said, we're going into a weekend where there's going to be continued uncertainty with how the world responds to what's taking place in Ukraine with the Russian invasion. So I don't know that we're going to see a substantial amount of follow-through. It's not out of the question, but I guess the question is who wants to be overly short the grain markets into the weekend with that headline risk lingering out there.
Yeah, I mean, these weekends have been pretty volatile. You're right. I mean, the whole thing is going to be volatile. And I've been saying, just as a quick question to you, I've been saying this is probably going to be the year of the option because we're so high and these prices are so, expensive that any move is costly. Are you using a lot of options right now to protect some of these positions?
Yeah, doing a lot of options, futures and options, futures with options to protect the position. So we've been pretty active. It's a good trading environment. But I would kind of urge a sign of caution as we kind of put out a note to clients. A lot of people see these intraday moves and think, wow, I just missed an opportunity. And, at the end of the day, you got to have the stomach for it. And if you're losing sleep at night, you probably got too much risk on the table. And it's okay to be in cash. Cash is the position. But from a producer standpoint, someone who's looking to protect their bottom line, options are a great way to put that floor in the market and keep you nice and cozy at night when you're sleeping so you don't have to stare at the screens 24 hours a day.
And we all know if you get some decent rest, that can kind of stave off any bad decisions. I can tell you that firsthand, all right? So